today I'm going to make slime! Yay! In case you guys don't like slime or like slime, I don't care. I love slime. So, I just made this beautiful little purple slime. Oh. And it's just like kind of clear a little bit. I like loads of colors, and I'm going to make black this time. So yeah. I just made slime, so the bowl is a little bit dirty, but I'm so sorry, but is that okay? I hope you said yes, because... So let's start. So everyone knows that we always start with shaving foam. And then we just put it in how much we want it. Wait, don't forget to shake it first. It can be any kind of shaving foam, but this is the best. This thing, what is it called? Gillette something? It's the best one. And like everyone who buys shaving foam always finds this one, so you don't really need to know. Okay, that's about enough shaking. I can't open this thing. Mommy? Oh, I did it! Oh, that really hurted me. I'm gonna put, not too much shaving foam. Oh my god, I'm putting a lot. Let me just get some tissue paper. This black one is gonna be huge. Look how much I put it in. So next is glue. It's best to use TOA glue. So just pour it in. Just waiting for it to come out. Oh, it's coming! It's like, this is so hard to put up. Yeah, we're ready. So the next stop for this one, for my type of slime, we use body lotion next. I use it for my dry little legs. But this time I'm using it for my slime. Make sure you ask your mom and dad before you do this, or else you give them a big surprise. Oh, next is hand soap. Yeah. So, hi Daddy.
Hi.
Just put it in. My hand soap is gonna go out. It's not a lot left. Okay, now it's time to mix it. I'm gonna use the same spoon because black is a darker color anyways. Let's mix it up. I hope I put enough glue in here. I think I put not enough glue, but oh yes, it is enough glue. It's forming up. It's kind of like not that sticky yet because I haven't used that work yet. Okay, Okay, this is probably enough stirring. Yeah, this is quite a lot of stirring. So next stop, we use coconut oil. You can buy all of these ingredients at Tesco Lotus. That's probably enough. Oh! Next we use colors, I think. So let's put black in. I need to use my magic knife to put the tail and then put the black in. If your colors is easy to pour out, please don't use the knife. So just spread it around. I'll show you how it looks like when I finish spreading. Oh my god, I'm putting so much black in. Okay, I think I'm done spreading. This is how it kind of looks like. Is the borax in the way? It's time to put the borax in. There's a little bit of borax left. But don't worry, I have 2 containers of borax. I don't think this is enough borax, but let's just try it for now. Okay. It's time to mix. Wow. Oh, and guys, if you notice that I cut my hair, please tell me that you like my hair, because I want it to be long. I made a very, very bad decision. Ugh. Look at this. This is a white and black. This is kind of gray. So when you can't stir it anymore, just put it in your hands. Oh my god. Oh. Ew. It doesn't smell that bad. At first, it's kind of sticky, and then yeah. It's done! Our little new slime. So if there's still some leftovers in here, just pick it up with your new little slime and just mix it with your hands. Knead it. You need to knead it before you could just put it on any tables or floors or sofas of your mom and dad's. They started off really big, but it became really small. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!